Hey, welcome back everybody. In this video I want to show you how to insert the elevator. So we're working in exercise 3-4. So the first thing it says that you want to do is you want to save your project as. You want to go File, Save As. So I've already done this, but if I go to File, Save As, Project, you want to save it as exercise 3-4 and then click on Save. And now we want to look for an elevator. So we don't have an elevator currently loaded in our project. So to do that, we're going to go up to the Inserts tab at the top here, and you want to go to Load Autodesk Family. Now, if you don't see anything come up here, usually that means because you need to go to Autodesk.com and create an account. It's totally free, but then once you've created your account, then you're able to kind of get to all these different families, furniture, all this good stuff. So anyway, so I'm in this Load Autodesk Family. Most times you're looking for something, you don't really know where it's going to be located. Let me cancel out of this. So you have all these different like folders it could be in. So where's an elevator going to be? And especially if you're taking the certification test, it may take you a while to find stuff. So I recommend going up to the search up here. So I'm just going to type in elevator, press enter. So now we're looking for the electric elevator. So I'm going to select this one, click load. Now notice when I did that, if you look over in your project browser under families, click that little plus sign next to it. I'm going to go down to vertical circulation, open up that in case it's not already open, and then you can see our electric elevators are now loaded in our project. So I'm gonna click the plus sign here. So it wants us to kind of add some stuff to the 2,000 pound elevator because that's the one we're going to be using. So I'm going to select the 2,000 pound elevator, right click it, go to type properties here. Make sure you want to click on the preview just so you can kind of see a preview of the elevator. So you'll go to 3D view 1. You can have different views of your elevator here, but you want to, for our purpose right now, select 3D view 1. And then, so the book says we're going to add some information under the model. So look at the model here. Where are we at? Oh, the model. It's a long way over here. It's kind of hard to keep these in line, but this in the model space, not model space, in the model space, I'm gonna go to made up, not like AutoCAD model space. Anyway, made up 8864 is the name of the model name, but did I do that in the right? Yeah, okay. For manufacturer, it's gonna be under here. That's going to be ThyssenKrupp KRUPP elevator. And then for the URL, this is going to be www.ThyssenKrupp, THYSSEN elevator.com. And then we're good there. I think I can grab this and move it over so it's not so far away. That would be helpful. It would have been helpful if I did that from the beginning. Yeah, that's better. Anyway, I should have done that to start with, but kind of shrunk that thing down. Anyway, so there we go with that. So we're good there. We're gonna hit OK. Now we're gonna kind of left click and drag our 2,000 pound elevator into our first floor plan. Just drag it somewhere. And now I'm gonna zoom in. So I found out that if I just place this, left click to place it, I only need one, so I'm gonna right click, cancel, right click, cancel again. So what I wanna do is move this into the space here. If I select it and then click the move, I can zoom in and grab this bottom corner right there, the endpoint, and then move it to this bottom corner here where that box pops up. Now that puts us right where it needs to be. Hit the escape. Now we're gonna add an elevator door. So I'm gonna go back up to my insert, load Autodesk family. You're looking for elevator door center. Click load. And so I'm going to go up to architecture component, place a component. I'm gonna look for the door, elevator door center. The one I want to bring in is 36 by 84. And let me zoom out a little bit. So this is gonna go in the middle of this wall here. So you want it to be on this side, not that side. So it goes here. Notice my dimensions down there, so show 4 feet and 4 feet, so I know that's centered. So I'm just gonna click it, and it places it in where it needs to be. Let me look at this picture. So yeah, that looks correct. If not, you can select the door and just kind of flip it with these arrows depending on which way you want to orient it. So I think we're good there. So now I'm just gonna go to save this file. Save. I don't need to I don't need to save as because it's already a 3-4. So I'll just go here, file, save. And if you want to look at a 3D view and kind of see our elevator door, I moved that earlier, so you can kind of see. You can't see our door here, but if I click on this kind of edge of the U cube, now you can kind of see our elevator door there. Kind of nice and neat. There's some buttons, call buttons. All right, so let me go back to the home view. All right, so go back to level 1. All right, so there we had our elevator in. It took us 8 minutes. Probably wouldn't take as long if I wasn't rambling so much, but come back in the next video. We'll put the doors and windows in. We're gonna keep on rolling. All right, so peace out.